Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Hacker Associate broadcast. You are watching the Hacker Show. Today I'm going to show you about XML injection finding with the help of Burp Bounty Pro. So I'm using this Burp Bounty Pro, and what I did is I simple send this request. So this is a request which I exploited already. But if you go to the proxy history area, here we have a post request. So basically, again, I'll show you. I intercept this request using this intercept on. Okay, so it is using XML here in the request. Okay. So I have found the vulnerability with the help of Burp Bounty Pro extension. So simple right click, send to the repeater. A repeater tab is highlighted. When you send the request, you can see clearly 730 units. In this case, if you simple right click an extension and select Burp Bounty Pro, Active Scan and XXE, you can see clearly is going to select that URL which you added to the repeater. After that, you simply click here and you can see it started. And once this is done, you can see clearly the color changed to red, the target tab, and we found the vulnerability regarding XXE. And what I did is after that, I just analyze the request, sent to that repeater once again here, and I send the request. I added my collaborator payload and send the request. You can see clearly I click on the poll now and I'm getting the interaction. That's how you can identify vulnerability very quickly with the help of Burp Bounty Pro. And now, if you want further more advanced, I can easily do with the help of AI. We can create a POC very shortly, very fastly. I can create a POC and write a more detailed report with the help of my AI agents. Okay. So if you want to learn all this information, check out my AI powered pen testing program. Thank you. Have a great day.